Hello everyone, today is 18 May 2026. This is today PNL $60,546 to all the account. We can see the PNL on the right side. Also I have other 5 accounts when I made $1,700. Let's go first of all and let's see the screenshot I took when I was inside the trade, so no one can tell you hindsight. So first of all, you can see I was short before 9:30 open. You can see, and I was stopped out at break even. I make $50, $100 to each account, but I consider that break even trade. And you can see that the price did the move, unfortunately without me, but no problem. I was waiting for the price to drop down, and after that I took this long. And now let's go and explain the trade. I'm gonna explain. You can see this is real order. I was short here, and I got stopped out below the entry, so it was $15 profit, stuff like that. And I trail the stop loss really aggressive because we are close to 9:30 open, and I was afraid that price can spike up, take the buy side, and from there go to the sell side, because it's usually what the price do, manipulate to the wrong side and move to the other one. And we can see that the price, this 192 handle to the downside, took these relative equal lows on the consolidation, also this sell side. And at the moment that the price took this sell side, I was watching at the same time ES. ES didn't. ES was not able to take the sell side of the relative equal lows and also this sell side. And that things told me that ES is stronger to the upside. We was having also some liquidity that is relative equal highs on ES. Okay, let's go to ES, and we can see that ES, we can see that the price was not able to take this sell side and also this one. Okay, got close but was not able to take it. And also we had some relative equal highs here and relative equal highs also here. And when I saw this, I was thinking, okay, ES is stronger to the upside. NQ did the manipulation. So we can see NQ took the sell side, NQ didn't. You see that? You see that ES react to the upside stronger than NQ. We also had some SMT on this side, but I don't want to make this video long, 2 hours. So I was here saying that NQ took the sell side, ES was not able to do that, okay? And that told me, first of all, that is a high probability long after a lot of sentiment bearish from the beginning of the 9:30. This is a reaction block. When I saw that the price tapped inside the reaction block, that was the reason why I got long to NASDAQ. Remember, you can take trade on NASDAQ just watching to ES. And the same things, you can trade ES just watching to NASDAQ. And I was hitting for the first contrarian PDRA, so this is a bearish order block. I saw that the price was able to go above that, and this was my TP. This is the reason behind this trade. There are a lot of other things, okay, behind this trade, but this is the entry, the trigger, why I was long, and to verify that I don't talk, but I do. So, for every one of you, show love to Trading Dojo, start following the page, put like, comment below if you want bootcamp, if you want the giveaway to come inside Trading Dojo for free, to have 1 year inside with me and Alex Solignani, the best ICT trader. You know that Alex had an interview live with ICT. 99% of traders around the world don't have that type of interview. And ICT removed all them video from YouTube because some of them, I don't want to mention, a lot of them was using that type of video for bad stuff, okay? But Alex was the only sincere one between all that community of traders. So I want to tell to every one of you that show love to Trading Dojo, put like, comment on the video, follow us on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and if every one of you shows love to us, I'm going to make a bootcamp, a lot of video for free on YouTube, but I need to see feedback from every one of you. Okay, and you're gonna have a lot of free content that you're not gonna find anywhere. Okay, and no one of them talk the truth. Every one of them tell the things in half, not everything. So this is the breakdown of the 2-day trade, and I hope it's useful, and enjoy.